the Matterhorn, Jimmy. You see that?
Sorry, I don't want to get in your way.
No. So all of Main Street is a castle. It's just like,
Oh, no, okay. Why not coming over here? Because they'll burn us. They fireworks are stay far away. Yeah, we can die if we get too close to the fireworks. Well, we're okay. Fun? Oh my god, I love it. It's done.
Oh, look at that! You can
Yeah, you see the Matterhorn, there's like fish or shadows dancing.
Someone's dancing.
Wow.
wait, is that supposed to be Jungle Book? I thought it was like Mowgli for a second.
That was, yeah, that was Jungle
It is
Book.
the Jungle Book. If you come over here in the doorway, you can hear the music.
Eddie, you can come outside, baby.
Wow, this is an insane view.
I know, right?
Wow.
You see the Matterhorn? There's all the fish. It looks like fish.
Oh my god.
I mean, these being in a massive packed crowd.
Oh. Absolutely.
I love when they're just like old
They're
ones.
so.
Oh, now those were some fancy fireworks.
Yeah.
There. That's not the standard.
They're like shooting stars.
This is like a Fantasia show.
Okay, do you hear the music?
I can't. It's too much. I missed the one that was like so moving. The
I
one
know what you're talking about. It was like 2 years ago.
Yes. That one was
It was like
so
the dreams
good.
come true
Yes.
one.
Oh, I love
That one
was
was
a
my
good
favorite.
one.
I cried at the Christmas
Yeah.
one. It
Oh,
had
yeah.
snow. And I was like, oh.
Oh yeah.
Did you snow on this one during the frozen one on Main Street? Hey, buddy. I know. Step on the rail, kiddo. That's painful.
Yeah, that hurt.
Here's the bus one.
Here comes the fire.
Yeah. You see the lights on the Matterhorn? It's like
Going
fast.
nuts.
Yeah.
It's definitely very energetic.
Yeah, on Main Street, it was just like full on like colors flashing everywhere. It was like,
You can
what's
already see
happening?
some people like hustling back. I see they're like, we gotta get out before
Get
the
out for the crowd.
comes.
Yeah, this is see the lamp on the Matterhorn.
How long is generally the fireworks show now?
Like 15 minutes.
That's pretty good. To do it every night?
Wow,
Yeah,
those
during
lights
summer
are.
they do it every night.
Holy crap.
I remember, like, because you know, it's like background noise for my life. I always hear the
I
fireworks.
bet.
And then when COVID was happening, it was like so sad because I would always know, oh, it's 9:30. The fireworks are happening.
I know they've been doing fireworks every night in my house. I can't figure out where it's coming from.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Great America's doing it.
Do they do fireworks?
Yeah, they used to.
Oh, those are pretty.
Oh, those three. Oh,
I like the
alright.
ones where they like
Change color.
Yeah.
Yeah, when we checked in, Chris was asking for fireworks. And I was like, is there by any chance? Oh, that's my favorite.
Look at this.
Like, is there by any chance that there's a room for the fireworks? And she was like, we want to promote the fireworks. Like, it was really cute.
Oh, that's
Whoa, look at those.
Ooh.
This reminds me just of a flash grenade.
Yeah,
Yeah.
seriously.
Everybody has seizure.
Whoa.
I like when they stick.
That reminds me of the Mardi Gras.
Yeah.
I love this bowl.
Oh, I love the Wishing Star ones.
See that?
It's like a
That's my
fountain
home.
bowl.
Yeah,
They're like, I
that's
got a
my
Disney
It's
favorite.
like holding weeping willow trees to me.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
So has this been like the most active day for you guys? Just going and doing activities?
It was for me. Like
Okay.
on yesterday,
nightmare.
I came back and napped for like 2 hours.
Yeah.
Today I didn't. I just was like the whole time. And after I got
Because
done with
I
the Peter
think day
Pan
one
line,
you're trying to probably just maybe literally a couple
well, day one we were only here for a half day because it was the day that we went out.
Yeah, exactly, right?
Yesterday was like super full. Middle chunk, and then today I literally didn't stop at all. So I got done with the Peter Pan line. It was like in the sun for like 40 minutes and was like, I think I might like pass out and I don't think that was chicken.
That's when you gotta have like a cold beverage.
Yeah, I
at
really
every,
just felt like
every
these
hour.
are cool.
Oh, they look like confetti
Yeah.
or funfetti.
Yeah.
Don't start making up words now.
No,
Funfetti's a word.
funfetti.
It's funfetti cake. Yeah.
Like the cake
That's a
with
real
all the
thing?
colorful
Yeah.
sprinkles.
You know what? Today I learned.
Yes, this is frozen.
Oh, this is
Okay, do you hear
Frozen
the
water.
music?
Look at that cloud there.
That's what I'm talking about, right?
That's too much. No, not the mood.
It's literally like the remix.
That's not the mood we need.
I mean,
Is that what they're
it's
playing
like
on the bottom?
techno. It's like house.
They're like,
Technoblade.
everyone's been locked up for a year. Let's play.
I know, right?
Ooh. Over there.
Yeah, we were walking back to the hotel on the first day, and I was like, oh my god, get me out of here. Like, there's like 1,000 million people here, and I just can't even. Like, I've been a little bit too quarantined for like the unmasked mass hordes of people.
Yeah, I went to Vegas and I was like, whoa, I have not been around this many people in a really long
Yeah, it's like
time.
jarring. I mean, I've been going to
You
work
know,
this whole time, so
did
it's
you
not
know that
quite as
if
bad.
you can make a door, you
Different.
can break a door?
Wait, what?
Like, if you can make a door, you can break a door.
That
What does
makes
that mean?
No clue.
Okay.
It makes sense
can
to
break
me,
it.
buddy.
There you go.
Wow.
Buddy. Whoa. Finale coming.
That one little guy in the middle is like, I tried.
Yeah, I tried.
Sure. Why don't we have fireworks at the park?
There can be,
Why don't the
there can
fireworks
be
indoors?
making
I know, I thought
fireworks.
about it.
Well, there was some fireworks.
There can,
Let's write to the mayor.
yeah, there can be making fireworks.
Were there really?
Oh, let's see.
We stepped outside. There was
Wow.
just like a film
It just
everywhere.
I didn't
it was-
smell. I
we-
didn't see
and we
any
could
fireworks.
hear it
We
nonstop
saw a
on
few.
this 24/7.
So I was in Santa Ana and there's legal and oh my gosh, it was a war zone. Couldn't see.
Are they not legal in orange?
No. That's why you don't see them like everywhere.
Yeah, they actually decided not to do them in our area because of the fire risk.
Yeah, it's dangerous.
Yeah, I mean, especially with the drought that we're in.
Oh yeah, and
Pretty serious dry
on
spell.
top of that, just like it cannot be good for the environment.
No.
Here we go.
Those are so fun.
I like the ones that multiply.
Yeah, those are cool, huh?
Nikki!
Wow.
It was enough to make it out there.
That was amazing.
My favorite thing that Benny's been doing lately is pretending like he knows Spanish.
I just make up my own dumb words.
That's how languages get made.
Yeah, that's true. Whoa, look at that, here we go. Look at that.
Is it even a fireworks show if you don't say, ooh,
We
the
won't
finale
even
at
be
least 4
5,000